Hi, and welcome to 1711 West Florida here in Springfield, Missouri. This is a cute little home. It's got a nice big front porch. It's a one bedroom, one bath. It's got a fenced yard and a fireplace. We're going to go ahead. The trash service is also included with this home. See the nice large porch? It does have the solid surface flooring. There's the fireplace. It is just for aesthetics and looks, but it's a nice addition to this living room. We do have mini splits for the heating and air. It's got a good sized kitchen. We do provide you with a nice stove here. You will bring your refrigerator. Plenty of cabinet space here. And here is the bath. It does have the tub shower combo right here. And that's the water heater there. And here is your bedroom. Right there from the windows in the mini splits. And here's your closet. It's actually a pretty nice deep closet. And we'll go on out here. It does come with a washer dryer hookup that you can see in the laundry room right here. We'll go on out and take a look in the backyard. It's got a nice large backyard. It is fenced. This is a combination of privacy fence and woven wire. It does have the shed there. And there you have 1711 West Florida in Northwest Springfield. We look forward to seeing you.